Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I'll share real stories from CNC manufacturing. And stick around till the end, our giveaway's almost finished. And if you've been following along, you already know what's up. This one's about something tiny that caused a big headache, the chip in the taper. We were finishing up a high precision job on a 5-axis, tight tolerance, mirror finish, no room for error. First few parts came out perfect, then out of nowhere, chatter marks. Surface finish went downhill, dimensions started to drift just a hair, nothing obvious, but enough to raise eyebrows. We checked the tool wear, feed rates, even spindle temperature, all fine. Then we pulled the tool holder, and there it was, a single flattened chip wedged onto the taper. Just one. It must have dropped in at tool change. That tiny bit of swarf kept the taper from seating true, causing micro vibration and inconsistency. We cleaned both the spindle and the holder properly, reloaded the tool, and like magic, perfect finish, back on spec. Lesson learned. It's never just a chip. A speck of swarf in the wrong place can throw off an entire job. Always clean your tapers, every time, no exceptions. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder, the Chuck's Corner giveaway is nearly over. You know the deal. Make sure you've got an active, registered MachiningCloud account and like, comment and subscribe on this video to be entered. The prize? A brand new smartwatch. Perfect for anyone who lives by cycle times. We'll announce a winner at the end of the month, so don't miss your chance. Oh, and one more thing. MachiningCloud will be at the Top Shops event in Charlotte, North Carolina on November the 11th and 12th. Come and see us at booth 9, say hello and talk shop with the team. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.